In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the utility knife, the parts that make up the utility knife. I'll be showing you that also, and how to exactly use it in the electrical field. This is the handle of the blade. This is the button that extends the blade. So when extending the blade, you have to put a little force on the button and push it forward. Now this is the remover button that removes the blade. So you can easily remove the blade if you want to. Now if you want to install the blade, you can simply press back the button and it will go inside. From you hear that click, that means it is being installed. This is the built-in storage for the blades, and this is the button that releases the blades, so you can easily take one out and put inside the utility knife after you release this blade. Now this is the cutting notch. It is being used to cut line and strings. So if you have a piece of string that you want to put inside, or a piece of line, you can always put it right here and it will cut it for you. I will be showing you inside the utility knife, just for you to know how inside of a utility knife look. This is how inside of a utility knife looks. This is the blade storage. This is the push button that you use to push the blade forward. This is the other piece, or this is the other handle of the utility blade. This is the quick release button.